Is your PS5 refusing to let you join a match, or are you getting kicked from every lobby? Don't let a connection error ruin your gaming night, because we are going to fix your multiplayer issues right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. This usually happens because of a sync error with the PlayStation Network servers, or a conflict in your console's internal network certificate. It is a common frustration that can stop you from playing with friends, but we can get you back into the action in just a few minutes. Step 1 is to check the PlayStation Network service status. Use your phone to search for PSN status to see if the servers are down for everyone. If the lights are green, then the issue is definitely on your end and we can move to the next step. Step 2 is to restore your game licenses. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, and select Other to find the Restore Licenses option. This refreshes your digital permissions and often fixes the cannot start game or multiplayer blocked errors instantly. Step 3 is to sign out and back into your PSN account. Go to your profile settings and choose Sign Out. Restart your console and sign back in to force a fresh security handshake with the Sony servers. Step 4 is to manually set your DNS. In your network settings, select Advanced Settings and change the DNS to Manual. Enter DNS 8.8.8.8 for the primary and 8.8.4.4 for the secondary to bypass crowded provider servers. Step 5 is to toggle your internet connection off and on. In the network menu, uncheck the Connect to Internet box for 10 seconds and then check it again. This forces the console to request a new IP address from your router. Step 6 is to update your system software and game files. Highlight your game and press the Options button to check for updates. An outdated version of the game will always prevent you from connecting to the multiplayer servers. Step 7 is to enable the DMZ on your router. Log into your router settings and place your PS5's IP address into the DMZ zone. This opens all communication ports and is the fastest way to fix a NAT-type failed error that blocks matchmaking. Step 8 is to disable the console sharing and offline play setting, then re-enable it. Go to Settings, then Users and Accounts, and look under Other. Toggling this off and on resets your console as the primary device for your account. Step 9 is to switch from a wireless connection to a LAN cable. Even the best Wi-Fi can have micro drops that the PS5 interprets as a total disconnection from the game server. A physical wire is the only way to ensure total stability. Step 10 is to rebuild the database in safe mode. Turn off your console and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Select option 5 to rebuild the database, which fixes hidden system errors that interfere with your network card. For a pro tip, try clearing the system cache in the safe mode menu. This specifically targets temporary files that can become corrupted during a system update and cause random disconnections from multiplayer lobbies. If you are still facing any difficulty or you are still stuck in the menu, drop a comment below right now. I will be monitoring the thread and I will reply to help you out within 1 hour. If these fixes got you back into the game, make sure to share and subscribe to TechVibes. You are ready to play, and I will see you in the next match.